Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make easy, simple, quick vegetable porridge or dalia. A very healthy, nutrients, minerals, energy loaded and filling breakfast. But before the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions, presumptions and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now, take a mix of garden fresh vegetables of your choice, any hard vegetables, and cut, chop, cube or slice them. Now take desi ghee or rice bran or sesame or peanut oil and porridge or dalia. When oil is hot, add porridge or dalia. Roast well till color changes to golden brown and a nutty or goodish fragrance fills the air. There, that is what it should look like. Now add the vegetables and there. Stir well to mix well. When done, this is what it is going to be like. Now add turmeric as per your taste. Black or any natural salt, again as per your taste. Coriander powder, again as per your taste. Remember the advice, keep spice level as low as possible for breakfast. Red chili powder, again as per your taste. And cumin powder, again as per your taste. And stir well to mix well. And add fresh water from any natural source. Give a good stir and mix well. Cap shut and allow to cook on sim or low. Cook for 15 minutes or one whistle as we would say. Switch off the heat and allow the cooker to depressurize on its own. When depressurized, uncap and open the cooker. Wow, what a sight! Vegetable porridge or dalia is ready to be served. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? And piping hot, of course. Now, serve and plate the vegetable porridge or dalia. And most important, enjoy with all your known, especially your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.